Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm going to give a review on the Garnier Whole Blends Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner. Now these were given to us as a gift, so I was really excited to give it a try. This is a repairing shampoo. It's supposed to just repair and mend damaged hair. My hair isn't really damaged other than the areas where I had been going bald. It's still healing, so I like to use the repairing shampoos just to kind of hopefully help speed up the healing process. So I felt like this was something that was going to help me. When I shampooed and conditioned my hair, it's made my hair feel very soft and just really healthy. And I can definitely feel my hair does feel a lot stronger. Did not feel dry at all. The smell is amazing. It has a really sweet, delicious scent. I can't really describe it other than that. It's just a delicious scent. It smells really, really good. I wash my hair every 3 to 4 days and the smell will stick to your hair. It just stays there into the next wash day. So I'd be out walking and I could just smell it. It's just a very strong smell. If you are sensitive to scent, if you're very sensitive to smell, then this might be too strong for you, but I really like that. I just smelled really good. It's really, really good smell. I started to notice that my hair was taking on like a yellow dingy color, which had me really worried. I still do everything that I need to do to keep my hair nice and bright, but it was starting to turn like a dingy-ish, like a dirty yellow color. And even though I was doing what I needed to do to get rid of the yellow, it would come right back and I couldn't understand why. And I finally decided that maybe I need to look at the ingredients, and guess what? The yellow dye is in both the shampoo and the conditioner. So I'm pretty sure that is why my hair is turning a dingy yellow-ish color. Stay away from it if you are a silver sister. I applied the Le Color Gloss on my hair, which neutralizes yellow tone, so you can't really see the yellowish right now. And I posted the review, so you should check the review for the Le Color Gloss. It's amazing stuff. But back to the shampoo and conditioner. So if you have gray hair, I wouldn't recommend using this. I was really bummed about it. I was actually going to go purchase the sulfate-free Whole Blends Repairing Shampoo. Thankfully, I didn't go waste my money on that because I wouldn't be able to use it because it turns my hair yellow. If you have hair pigment or you color your hair and you're not worried about your hair turning yellow, then this is a really good purchase. I really, 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 really liked it. I'm really bummed that it has the yellow dye in it. But if you have gray hair, don't use it because your hair will most likely turn yellow. And so don't do what I did and not look at the ingredients just because the shampoo or the conditioner or whatever product you are using does not have any color in it. Like it might come out like a white creamy color. There could still be some dye in there. You just can't see it. Maybe it's very light like this. It looks white to me, but I guess it could be a faint yellow. I don't know. Always read the ingredients because you don't want to be surprised. Thankfully, I was able to figure out what the problem was. I was starting to get really worried because having yellow hair is horrendous. Now I know that this is not the product for gray hair. So that is my review. Great product, smells wonderful. I like the way it makes my hair feel. It makes my hair feel soft and healthy. Unfortunately, because my hair is gray, it just isn't going to work out for me or for anybody with white or gray hair because of the yellow dye in it. I hope this review helped you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye!